Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
What's up, nerds? Oh, you know, chilling, doing some jet ski stuff. You wouldn't understand, we're stand-up guys.
Yeah, we're stand-up guys.
You don't really fit in here. We're stand-up guys. We've been railing corners out here and stuff, you know, hand pulls. Say a stand-up word.
We've been railing corners and doing cat's cradles.
Cat's pajamas and the cradle thing.
We've been weaving some yarn on these looms.
Yeah, we've been making some dream weaving.
We're a couple of tapestry makers.
We've been sowing some seeds through the corners and
you can't shovel that rake like the old Hojo.
We've been digging trenches.
Sounds like a chain gang.
Straightaway stuff, and mostly we'd like to thank the team and the sponsors and
the McDonald's, Budweiser,
Sunscreen. We'd like to thank Sunscreen for making this possible, and
you're just like wearing a suit.
And helmets.
You're wearing a suit, eh?
What's up, everyone, and welcome to another Joel Arsenault YouTube video. In this one, I am quite obviously visiting the Jet Ski Brothers, and I will be testing a 550 for the very first time. I should say I'm testing a 550 hull. This particular 550 is actually a 750 swap that Jason did. I will be trying it for my very first time, and near the end of the video I will be doing a timed lap, so stay tuned for that. A little sliding. Got disqualified. Didn't go around the pole.
The pole's a bit tricky on that one.
The pole?
Going around the pole.
Oh yeah. So in order to get this to hook up, you just gotta lean it way over, or?
I think that I'm not that sure, but I kind of wonder if you're supposed to like keep the ski straight while leaning your body way over.
Huh.
But yeah, it definitely just loses grip.
I've only went around that pole successfully like twice now. Oh my god.
It's definitely the hardest part.
Yeah, I like to ride 2 or 3 laps slow and figure out what I need. Like, I'm gonna have to go slow to get around the pole or it's just gonna ruin everything, so.
Well, everybody does on, well, everybody does on everything.
Yeah.
This
Especially.
It's because it's very slidey when you want to cut hard.
Yeah.
Probably some really good Cowie 550 riders could do it, but.
A lot of tide going through here, folks. It's hard to watch a video and tell how fast somebody's going or how good somebody is a lot of the time. But I was like, when people see my lap times compared to yours, it'll be like an appreciation for like.
We're probably doing, like, if we were on the same ski, we'd be doing the same lap times right now. You're riding this piece of garbage like a monster. You're just like, give me cookies.
That's what happened. Oh, I'm like, please don't kill me in this turn. Please don't kill me here.
Me or you?
This.
Oh.
Like talking to the ski.
Oh, gotcha. Well, usually it just slides out from under you and you land on your butt.
Yeah, it's not a bad crash, but it's annoying.
This is the real Joel Arson. You want to know what he rides a jet ski like? He's a stand-up guy now. I'm about to eat it. glad I wasn't following you on that. It's like, I'm just like eating some whitewater. And if I was on that, it'd be like real tough.
What's up, nerds? Are you ready for that timed lap?
I just did 2 sweet laps, so this is gonna be horrible.
But you can't really see the turnaround post anymore either.
Yeah.
You can see a little ripple where it's at, so good
Yeah.
luck.
I keep like backing off early and then having to give it again, and
I think you did a good lap in there.
I think
Yeah.
it's the official timing position.
I don't feel I can do much better than that, but I want to try one more where I don't bounce off the line.
Oh,
I haven't
so complaining. Already up with the excuses.
I haven't done that at all, and then all of a sudden I go to do a hot lap and I'm like,
Yeah, that's how the start is. You kind of get on the front of it.
I always see you guys do that and I'm like, just back off the throttle, idiot.
Oh no.
Just-
We're not backing off the throttle, idiot.
Just back off the throttle, idiot.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stain from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a map, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best of all the rest, put me to the test now. Speak of the list, your check as I'm just happening next. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new venture from him, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just build an obsession. I'm in this possession, you get their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just count no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11 is never progression.
I guess I'm gonna be the one to tell you.
What?
The lap where you started funny was way better than that lap.
Yeah, I know.
Way faster.
I know.
Yeah, probably, like, you cheater started the second one and you probably did like a 20-second slower lap. It's crazy.
I still really like it, but the whole slidey thing in corners makes it quite challenging. The 750 doesn't feel scary or overwhelming in this chassis. I think it's actually, I've never tried one with a 550, but this feels like what it should be to me. It doesn't feel scary or excessive. The only one thing I will say, as a complete noob, when I'm going down the straightaways, I find that it does this a little bit. Like it doesn't want to go straight on really flat water. It kind of seems to rock a bit.
Yeah.
But maybe that's just a complete noob thing.
The ski actually rocks
You
really
actually
hard.
just ignore it.
You just ignore it.
Yep.
And try not to be terrified, and don't back off the throttle because it just makes it worse.
Just let it rock you.
Just let it rock you.
rock you to sleep.
Rock it, yeah. Satellite of love.
We're getting
Rock
crazy.
it,
I like
yeah.
songs.
He does.
Satellite of love.
They did.
Rock it, baby.
It was awesome.
I'll try one more time and see if I can actually
Pretty much had it that time.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know, trying to figure out the throttle and turning with your left hand is weird. That just about wraps it up for this video. If you guys want to see a different perspective on this day's events, be sure to go check out the Jet Ski Brothers. Josh has already released a video with me riding the 550 along with some other stand-up skis. If you guys want to see some behind the scenes footage, head on over to my secondary channel, which is Lowered Expectations. I'll see you guys over there. That's going to do it for this one. See you next time. I'm done. Oh my goodness.
How's it going?
Is that thing a keeper or what?
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah.
It's a camper.
That's a fun little ski.
It feels kind of chintzy compared to the Superjet.
Really?
You know what I'm saying? Like, it just feels like lightweight plastic almost.
It does, yeah. It's
But,
what, 3 decades older and
well, I mean, it works great. I'm not mad about it. I was just like,
Yeah.
today when I switched skis, I was like, oh yeah, it
Yeah.
feels like it's
Yeah,
just
oh,
so
yeah.
light and like it might break a bit.
yeah.